let's set this one into motion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally here. The moment we've all been waiting for. Isa-isahin na natin ang mga characters that will make your heart throb. Huwag natin, syempre, patagalin pa itong first one. The first up, she's fierce, fabulous, and full of fire. Ang head ng cheerleading team, this so-called mean girl na may soft spot pala. Give it up for the stunning Rafa Victorino as K2. Rafa Victorino as K2. Grabe naman pagka-moves dun sa VTR na yun, no? Sample nga siya. Hey! 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 We love seeing that. I love that she is so game. Next up, the girl. Eto guys, who once captured Drake's heart. She is sexy, mysterious, and dangerously unforgettable. Please welcome the beautiful, the bold Sarah Jo as Shaira Silos. Sarah Jo! Sarah Jo! Woo! You know. Yup, sobrang Latina. Thank you guys for the warm reception. We so appreciate it. Salamat sa pag-welcome sa kanila. No? Your charm is so infectious for this afternoon. Coming in, smooth, charming, and dangerously handsome. Isa siya sa certified playboy, but when he falls hard. I'm sure kilala nyo rin tong next individual na to. Up next, it's Frost Sandoval as Ken Justin Valdez. Grabe naman. Frost, ginalingan. Yeah, big hand for Frost Sandoval. There he is. Greeting our director at ang ating author. Yeah, konting photo up muna, Frost. Okay. Thank you for that. Yeah. Konting photo up muna. Siyempre naman, nang maipamalas natin ang angkin at taglay na kagwapuhan. Sayang na sayang. Hey, I love this, guys. We have such a huge cross-section of talent. Never have I seen such talent all under one roof. Ganyan ang kapasidad, ang kakayahan ng Viva, diba? We bring the best and the brightest right here for all of you, for your streaming and viewing pleasure. Di po nagtatapos dyan kasi up next, ang bestie mong machika, walang preno, at laging may dalang bududol. Wow. Sino kaya to? Tough on the outside, pero hindi pa rin naman nakakaligtas sa love. Kaya naman pala, none other than Miss Yumi Garcia as Gabriela Pineda, a.k.a. Aya. Si Yumi! Rumara and roll ka dito, Yumi, ha? Yes, please take center stage. Konting photo up muna. Hey! Isa namang rockstar pose siya, no? Yun, no? That's Yumi Garcia, everybody. Soak her in, soak her in, soak her in. Take those photos right now. Now, this one's got the heart, the charm, and a whole lot of tears. Wow, napaka-well-rounded naman pala. At sobrang multi-layered. He's a friendly football player, iyakin, pero lovable. Let's hear it for the adorable crybaby, Ethan David as Sheen Mendoza. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice! Wattpad fans, GAT fans, all sorts of fans ang nahahakot at naaani itong batang to. Hindi. Ang lakas ng dating. Grabe yun, grabe yun. Thank you so much, Ethan. Meet the chillest guy around. Cool, calm, pero puno naman ng misteryo. Mahilig sa motor, pero may tinatagong lihim at naiinggit, naikwento ang hindi pa nasasabi sa atin. Kaya abangan natin ito, no? Our next character. Get ready for the Rebel Heart. Everybody, for his very first time dito sa Viva One, Dylan Menor as Trip Marco Palma. Dylan, for the photo op. Thank you so much. Yup. Soak it in, everybody. That's Dylan Menor for it. Thank you, Dylan. Hello guys, kamusta? Okay ba ba? Are you ready to meet some more cast members? Woo! We're down to some of our final ones. Kaya naman isang Viva One! Viva One! Viva One! When I say Drake, you say Palma. Drake! Drake! Alright, parang ready na kayong matuklasan itong next set natin, no? For now, the fierce and the fearless. She is funny, taklesa, and secretly in love with her best friend. When she wants something, she'll get it by hook or crook. None other than Miss Angela Muji as Alice Perez! Sobrang lucky na. Alice Perez for you. She just took a seat, time to soak her all in. And guys, thank you so much. And by the way, do share us wherever social media exists. Kasi para sa mga team bahay dyan, you still have a chance to watch us on Facebook. Alright? Kamaintindihan po ba? At long last, ito na. Ang ultimate campus crush. Hindi ko tinutukoy sarili ko. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Grabe, walang tumawa. Ano ba yan? Hindi ang best ko na to, walang tumatawa. Ano ba yan? Anyhow. Ayan, the ultimate campus crush na hindi basta-basta nagpapakita ng emosyon. He's the one that everyone wants. Very coveted and sought after, but no one can really have. Sino kaya siya? I'm sure, alam niyo na, isa sa pinakamainit na young actors ng kanyang generation, a rising star in his own way, in his very first lead role. Everybody, give it up for the one, the only, Mr. Rami Angeles as the hero, Drake Sebastian Palma! Grabe, it's time for the photo op. Grabe, dyan ka lang muna. Mag-picture naman sa'yo saglit. Ayan, habang nasa center stage pa siya. Picturean na ng picturean. Woo! Grabe, grabe ka. Grabe ka, Idol. Tingnan mo. Grabe yun, guys. Let's officially give them a round of applause. Mission Impossible, seducing Drake Palma. They're all here. Streaming very soon on Viva One. Since nakilala na natin sila, let's make this moment extra special, okay? So allow me to invite our lovely couple. Ayun, no? Alright, guys. Allow me to invite the couple here. Very soon. Anong sinabi nila? Isa ba nga? Oh, no. What's not to love, diba? I can't think of any reasons not to love the Drake Palma. Woo! Oh, nga. Isa ba dyan? We love you, Drake Palma. Isa ba? Isa na ba? I love you, Alex Perez. Isa na ba? I love you, host Boaz. Wala, tigil na natin talaga to. Namumuro lang talaga kayo sa akin. Anyhow, not about me, guys. It's all about Drake Palma and the cast. No, thank you all so much. No? And, ayun. Guys, very soon na po ito on the 5th. Yeah, so we'll be seeing you guys then. And, sige, it's time to call on our lovely couple. No, doon sa series at the very least. I'm not saying in person. Pero, our very lovely couple in June 15 na po ito showing. Very lovely couple, no? For everybody to see and appreciate ang ating poster right now. It's on the 15th. Diyan po tayo makita-kita sa Viva One for all of that. And, okay, so dito po ako sa kabila as they officially reveal our poster. Wait lang, guys. Alam ko, sabik na kayong dalawa. But first off, how are you feeling?
Kinaabahan po ako.
Excited po ako.
Wow, okay, no? Ano kaya? Bokya kaya ito, guys? May naman, no? Joke lang. Hindi poster reveal to, guys, okay? Ayan, pataas o pababa, no? Robin has jokes too, guys. Okay, on the count of 5, no? I-reveal na ni Robin at ni Angela ang kanilang pinaka-aabangan na poster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Poster reveal time! Woo! Okay, it's time for a quick photo op, you guys! At picture natin sila. You know, alright, we're fine. Sige, makakabalik na kayo sa seats nyo. And pinapakilig tayo in the process. Uy, may tinuturo si Robin. Grabe naman yun. One more. Sana all. Grabe naman, no? Yan ang nasa agenda ko for today. Kailangan ko makahanap na makaka-recreate niyan. Ako naman si Drake Palma naman. The video lang now for the much-awaited Q&A portion. Handa na ba ang cast and crew? Yep! Handa na sila. Handa na maka-answer ng inyong mga katanungan. Members of the press, this is your opportunity to talk to the creators and the cast. Okay? About their experiences, mga insights nila tungkol sa ating series at storya. For our press and media friends, gentle reminder lang po to ask relevant questions. Strictly avoid sensitive and personal questions. Please remain respectful. Only series-related questions lang po. Okay? Take note, one question for one media member. Alright? Magkakaintindihan ba tayo? Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Viva! Viva! Ba't may nagsabing Viva 2? Sino yun? Ano ba? Ay naku, hindi pala kayo masunurin. Pero just want to say hello to everybody and I want to remind you to use our official hashtags tuwing ina-address nyo kami online, wherever social media exists, para mas madali natin makita ang bawat isang post. But di na natin simulan with Abantes very own June Lalim. Hi!